So I have not done a cooking video in a while, and I just decided today I wanted to try to make some sourdough bagels for the first time, which I have never done. And I'm also low on flour, so we will see how this goes. I just wanted to make a video, and I love cooking, so I thought today would be a good day to try that. So we're actually going to be using rice flour on my countertop to prevent the dough from sticking too much. I've used this before in a bowl, so hopefully this doesn't impact it too much. So I've already made the dough and let it rise. Now I'm just going to be shaping that dough into my bagels. I've got a little pot of coffee going because I'm just feeling it's right after work. I left early. I have to go back in a couple hours for an event, and it's just been a lot of late nights this week, and I just was like, I need some time at home to hang with the dog and to make some bagels. So I thought about live streaming this. I used to do a lot of live streams, but we're just gonna make it into a video. So I hope everyone's fall is going well. We started off early, so the first weekend in October was really hot, but we still went ahead and went to the pumpkin patch, went to a corn maze, and already have done a haunted house. So we're on it. We are going to a haunted circus this weekend, so I got my pumpkin coffee mug with some pumpkin spice. I will say, I don't know what, but Halloween and fall have quickly become my favorite time of year. I just love all the horror movies and stuff. So we might change it over. So here's my loaf. We are going to divide this into 6 bagels. All my professional bakers, this is probably where you're gonna cringe, but you just I'm just gonna divide it out into 6 parts as best I can. Some people weigh theirs. I'm not going to be doing that today. And I'm doing this when Graham is not home, so he can't yell at me for making a mess. So now we're just going to shape these into little balls. So this is more of like a pinch and fold technique. I'm putting all of the creases on the bottom. And then you just kind of roll it out. So this will be the moment to see if I have any sort of technique with this. So, the one video I watched, they push their thumb in the middle, and then you just start working it around. And they said to kind of make the hole slightly bigger than what you would normally expect. I think that looks bigger than a bagel hole. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see how those turn out. So we are going to stick them in the fridge and then let them kind of rest for a bit and see if they bulk rise. Okay, so I'm back home. The comfy clothes are on, and we have water boiling or getting ready to boil. So you put them in the boiling water, 1 minute on each side, and I put some baking soda in there. So we're heating that up now. They turned out too bad. A couple of them are a little oblong. We're gonna do some of them as everything bagel. I have my sous chef filming now. I don't know. I think they turned out pretty well. So they're supposed to be denser. Which one do you think we should try, Graham?
Yeah, that one looks good.
You want to try this
Do you
one?
want it in everything, or do you want
Yeah,
a
let's try it
class?
everything.
Okay.
I need a bagel slicer now, officially. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
The ultimate. Cheers. Yum.
Fire.
So there you have it. Easy bagel recipe, even though I left out the whole part of making the dough.